Understanding lash extensions. Enhance your look. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a popular beauty term, lash extensions. This video will help you understand what they are, how they're used, and why they've become a trendy topic. So, let's dive in and learn something new together. Lash extensions are artificial fibers that are attached to your natural eyelashes to enhance their length, thickness, and fullness. These extensions are usually made from various materials like silk, mink, synthetic, or human hair. The process of applying these extensions is delicate and should be done by a professional. It's a popular cosmetic procedure, especially among those who wish to have longer and fuller eyelashes without the need for mascara. Getting lash extensions typically involves a meticulous and personalized process. A professional lash stylist will apply each extension individually to your natural lashes. This process can take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, depending on the desired fullness and style. It's important to note that this is a painless procedure and can be quite relaxing for many people. After getting lash extensions, maintenance is key. Avoid water and steam for the first 24 hours to allow the glue to set properly. Also, be gentle with your lashes. Avoid rubbing your eyes and use oil-free makeup removers. Regular touch-ups are recommended every 2 to 3 weeks to maintain the fullness, as natural lashes fall and grow continually. Pros: lash extensions can significantly enhance the appearance of your eyes, making your lashes look longer, fuller, and more defined without makeup. They are also convenient, saving time in your daily beauty routine. Cons: they require regular maintenance and can be costly over time. There's also a risk of allergic reactions or infections if not applied or cared for properly. We hope this video has helped you understand the world of lash extensions. Whether you're considering getting them or just curious about the process, it's always fascinating to learn about different beauty trends from around the world. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful videos.